Here at Digital Wizard Studios, we thought, how do we combine our love of video games, race cars, and LEGO Technic? By building the ultimate LEGO arcade race game.
Go! Start, yeah! Oh my God!
Players choose the Dodge Charger or the McLaren Senna and race head to head. But how did we build the LEGO arcade race game? Well, that's easy. Brian Hines, our lead engineer, sketched up a not-so-simple plan to combine LEGO Technic gears, pieces, motors, and sensors that were all powered by Spike Prime's robotics program. So Brian starts prototyping the treadmill, while a very festive Paul builds a temp shell to house our game. Once the motors and belt system are laid out in the temp housing shell, we run tests to determine width, pressure, load, and speed. The team jumps on track design and laying out the chicanes. If a player drives over the red chicane, it triggers a sensor to slow down the racetrack. But if you run over a green boost, the track runs quicker. Once testing and prototyping has been completed, the team moves forward replicating all the moving pieces of the 6 treadmill tracks and the outer housing. Each of the treadmills are delicate and take some finesse to button up. Since Fast and Furious is the best movie franchise out there, we add the Dodge Charger to race against the McLaren Senna. Then we tested the game. Any way you want to call it, it's a good time. After a month of engineering, building, and design, we finished creating this LEGO arcade. So we ran a 4-player round-robin tournament to push the race arcade game to the limit.
Checkered flag.
I love the checkered flag.
Hey, Maddie, you win!
Build for real, play for real. The LEGO arcade race game, made out of LEGO Technic.